Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are checking out the Plates restaurant at Cinnamon Grad. This is the breakfast buffet that we are about to check out, and the price was only 4,000 rupees inclusive of everything per person. The buffet starts at 6:30 in the morning and goes up until 10:30. They have two areas for seating. You see the indoor side here and also the alfresco dining area on that outdoor side. So starting the buffet, they had a lovely spread. I will link the previous video of the same buffet which I checked out about 6 to 8 months back, and they have improved a lot from that to this what they have on offer right now. So just wanted to say, I think at the moment this could be the only breakfast buffet which has this much of an offering in the city. So here you see the Sri Lankan corner and then the Indian offering here, and these were the oatmeal, the porridge and all that section nicely laid out. Also, I must say the buffet counters were very clean. The staff were very friendly and professional. Those are action counter, full roti. We are closely moving into the Asian and the continental section. The service was also good compared to my previous visit, and the crowd was also spread in the restaurant, so it didn't feel very cluttered. So it was all in all a good experience at the restaurant, to be quite honest. From last time to this time, what I see mostly is that they have changed their offering, the layout, and also I think the staff is quite new and trained well. The highlight of this whole buffet was having smoked salmon unlimitedly available to everyone. So for just 4,000 rupees guys, you get a great breakfast buffet with everything you need. It's an international buffet, and I think it should be the best international buffet currently in Colombo. They had a nice variety of pastries over here. And next I will show you the two action counters, the hopper counter over here with the condiments in front. These flasks you see are what they serve tea and coffee with, and they make sure they keep all the food warm. That's a nice gesture. And this was the omelette counter right there. So just to conclude this video, the experience was amazing. You all need to check it out. More information will be put on the description below. This is a bonus content guys. So Cinnamon Grad brought down a Michelin starred chef from Switzerland, Chef Dominic Schrotter. So this was the press briefing that they had prior to the actual event. So this is the bonus content that I wanted to show you guys. So I will do a comprehensive video on this particular event soon on my channel. So until then, thanks for watching guys. Stay safe. I will see you soon with a beautiful another video.